Do you want to learn how to become a data scientist without even having any prior experience? Yes, you have heard it right. If you are interested, you need to watch this video until the end. Artificial intelligence and machine learning in the space of data science is huge in demand. There is a humongous opportunity out there and all the top-notch company. It may be manufacturing, finance, pharmaceutical, or say retail industry or any other industry. There is a huge demand for data scientists. And the company is open to offer you any salary that you may deserve. There is a huge gap in the demand and supply. The demand has already surpassed the supply by 60% year-on-year basis. My name is Manoj Gupta. I am Solution Director and Chief Data Architect, corporate professional turned global career coach, and now founder of Rethink Career Hub, where success is beyond any boundary. I have coached and mentored more than 1,200 professionals in the space of data science, and they are thriving, and they have got the lucrative job offer with humongous salary in this space. If you want to learn all these 3 secrets how to become a data scientist with no experience, you must join my community and be part of my webinar. Click the link below and register for my upcoming webinar, and then you will see the sea changes, the difference in you. See you live there.